Yo, how you doing, guys? I'm in Petit Tank at Seminyak today. There's the beach, but I will come back to the beach maybe later. Now I'm gonna hit into the most famous places around. I'm gonna show you how is it, and then I will come back to the beach watching the beautiful sunset. I hope so gonna be today. Alright, I'm on the Petit Tank at Seminyak corner. Here's the shrimp restaurant. It's open. Van Plus and yo, what's up? How you doing? At the front is the Motel Mexicola restaurant bar and some other places here. I want to show you how it looks here. During the weekdays, not that busy. However, all of them they are open right now, so that's pretty cool. Taxi Bluebird driver still driving around, so that's also good. And here's the Neon Palms, famous place for any kind of photo sessions. And then also the spa and the sea circus. However, I think the sea circus is a little bit not that famous anymore. I mean, the fame of the sea circus is a little bit well, it's closed actually, so I was right. I don't know if they are even not bankruptcy anymore. Anyway, the Colony Hotel at the front. Instagram sucks. Next to the Neon Palms, and epic, guys. Hilarious. Green Plus corner. Neon Palm. Here is a small path you can walk by, and I'm gonna show you the Motel Mexicola area. I think Motel Mexicola is open. San Seminyak Hotel at the front. This is not any kind of endorsement for them. However, this place is characteristic, and many of you used to have parties and tacos here. But it's closed today anyway, so it's closed. I think it's open only on during the weekends. The place Motel Mexicola, I'm pretty sure it's only open on weekends or maybe late afternoon. However, it's already after 5, so if it's not open today, it's not gonna be open. And here are some boutiques and stuff like this. Situation simply looks like this. And of course, lovely loud bikes around. Well, many boutiques here nowadays for ladies if you wanna buy something. And San Seminyak Hotel, I think it's open. Alright, one more quick shot. Motel Mexicola, it's closed during the weekdays. Not much is happening actually here in Seminyak anyway. I'm heading now back to the beach. I hope so will be beautiful sunset. Maybe I wanna even grab some rattler today, we will see. Alright, this is the parking lot. There is the ticket office and the police checking if everybody wear mask and stuff like this. So nothing has changed. Some people coming here. Sunset gonna be soon. Quite many motorbikes and even few cars around. So entrance to the beach. Some sausages and corn and crepes sellers. Quite many people looking for that. And here we go. This is the main entrance to the Petit Tank at the beach. At the front, when you enter, there is the small temple-like place where you can pray. Local people pray, and this is the situation. Some people around on the beach. Beautiful sunset gonna be. This is the Petit Tank beach. If you don't know the place and you are looking to come here, this is the name. However, it's very strong sun. That's how it looks like. At the front is the, I think, W Hotel. I think W, I'm not sure. And here is the some bar with the jet ski at the front. We were there with Winnie about 4 months ago. If you wanna see how is it inside, you can watch all my video. Actually, it would be nice if you guys who are just subscribed not so long ago wanna check out at least past my videos, some of them. Beautiful place, but it's more alive than before. That's definitely for sure. It's not even clean today. And this is a little bit of the beach life. How does it look like? At the front over there is the La Luciola. Unfortunately, La Luciola still remains closed. Nothing has changed about that. Enjoy a little bit of the waves and the ocean sound straight from Bali. And the beautiful sunset gonna be definitely very soon. And there is even one surfer over there. And the waves like this today. Beautiful. At the front we have the Legion Seminyak Hotel in Bali, and there are some local tourists deep inside. I can see from the beach enjoying the sunset from the pool area. and some people working, mostly local people. Just sometimes we can spot some foreigners, but majority, like 95-90% are local people. But beautiful vibes, very calm. Well, behind me that was actually Samaya Seminiak, which is different brand, and here at the behind me is the Legian Seminiak. Well, pretty the same thing but different. Anyway, also some people around, even security patrolling the beach and secure the hotel, but wearing mask all the time, even he's standing alone there. That's really serious things nowadays in Bali so far. Anyway, heading to Kudeta at the front. Here I think that was the strip of empty land and a big wall, and there are some local warungs. Used to be because they are closed. Anyway, now I'm heading now into the front. What you can see now is already famous Kudeta, which is one of the first and oldest and most legendary beach clubs in Bali. It's very old but still looks very modern and is very busy deep inside, I can see, and even a lot of foreigners sitting there, probably people who live in Seminyak. They have a special community and they are chilling a lot, so that's at least one place where it's still busy. And we were there also once, so you can watch our vlog. That was a long time ago, but we were there, and maybe we will visit one more time one day. And anyway, that's how it looks, the general life in Petit Tengad, Seminyak. This is actually already Seminyak. Okay, one more shot to show you how it looks. Beautiful sunset. This is the Kujercha, and here also some local warungs. And if you're gonna go into that direction, straightforward will be Legian, Kuta, and obviously airport and Jimbaran. So basically behind me is the Kuta, Legian and stuff like this. I'm gonna explain you because sometimes people comment, as this is actually one huge beach, very long beach, and this is true. It's actually all the time one beach, starting in Tuban, Kuta, technically Tuban, and then Kuta, then Legian, then Seminyak, then Petit Tengad. What was that? I don't know. Then Petit Tengad, then Batu Belik, then Canggu, and somewhere in Canggu the beach is finished actually. More north you follow is more dark sand, like here. Here is already not that white, it's more darkish, but it's still not black. And obviously if not cities, villages around, that could be one beach, and you could call this as the only one beach, like Copacabana in Rio de Janeiro, for example. But, well, not really, but yeah, just only example. And obviously development of this whole area starts from Tuban, then Kuta, then Legian, then Seminyak, then Batu Belik, then Canggu, and who knows what's gonna be in next years. Beautiful sunset, it's gonna be for sure, guys. Just gonna walk to the water slowly. Just want you to enjoy for a while how beautiful it is, because it's low tide and the beach is so flat and it's like a mirror under my camera, right? Something like this, so please enjoy. And I think after this shot that's it for today's vlog. So I hope so you enjoyed. As always, enjoy the sunset from Bali, from Indian Ocean, and see you tomorrow, guys. See ya, take care.